Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use CapCut template in PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your desktop and search for CapCut, then click to open the app. Once you're inside, you should normally see the Templates section here. Click on that, and you will see all of the CapCut template that you can use. But if you don't see it, don't worry. You can access templates via your browser. Open your browser and search for CapCut template. Press Enter and click on the official CapCut template link. Once you are here, log into your CapCut account, and once logged in, you can browse and select any template you like. After choosing a template, you can start editing it directly in CapCut on your PC. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use CapCut template in PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.